Alright, so we're doing a test now because it doesn't want to turn over and start. It turns over but doesn't want to start, so we have fuel because the spark plugs were full of gas or fuel, and we just disconnected the injectors and took out the fuel pump because I don't know, some reason it got fuel in there. I guess when we were trying to crank it, not starting it. But we're gonna check it out right now. The spark plugs are put on the coil packs and extracted from the engine right now, and they're just sitting around. So I'm gonna see if they spark. If they do spark, then something else is wrong. So let's get it.